Okay, so let's solve the general solution for the differential equation na y prime is equal to x minus 2y. So ito, pwede natin to siya i-sulat sa form ng ito ay linear differential equation. Ano na yung form ng yung linear differential equation? Matatandaan natin, ang linear DE is dy over dx plus p of x or function of x, y is equal to p of x. Okay, so paano natin ito isusulat na ganyan? Itong y prime gawin natin dy over dx. Then itong minus 2y, lipat natin sa kabila, maging plus 2y equals x. Okay, so ito na siya na form. Yung dy over dx ito, yung p of x natin dito is yung 2, then yung q of x is x. Okay, solve natin yung integrating factor na v. Anong formula yun? E raised to the integral of p of x dx. Okay. Then e raised to the integral of yung p of x natin, 2. So 2 dx. Then ang integrating factor natin is e raised to integral ng 2 is 2x. Okay. Then sunod, yung solution natin para sa linear differential equation ay nasa form na y is equal to v yv is equal to the integral of v q of x dx plus c. Okay. Then y is equal to, ano na yung v natin, e raised to 2x, integrating factor, equal to the integral of v is e raised to 2x times q of x natin na x times x dx plus c. Okay, so integrate natin to. Paano natin to integrate? So nakita natin itong x, di ba? Na pwede siya maging 0. So gagamit tayo ng tabular method o tinatawag na DI method. Okay, so integrate natin ito dito. Using DI method. Derivative integral. Pwede tayo ng plus. Okay, anong pwede maging 0 dito? Yung x, di ba? So x, then yung integrate natin is e raised to 2x. Okay, so dito minus na siya. Derivative ng x is 1. Integral ng e raised to 2x is e raised to 2x over 2. Then naging plus na. Derivative ng 1 is 0. Integral ng e raised to 2x over 2 is e raised to 2x over 2 times derivative nito is 2. So 2 times 2, 4. Okay. Then ang sagot dito is multiply lang to, magiging x times e raised to 2x over 2. Then ito rin minus 1 times e raised to 2x over 4 is e raised to 2x over 4. Okay, so ito, substitute na lang natin dito. Kaya magiging y times e raised to 2x is equal to x times e raised to 2x over 2 minus e raised to 2x over 4 plus c. Okay. So, pwede natin ito i-rewrite. Anong gagawin natin? I-multiply natin both sides by 4. So, magiging 4 times y e raised to 2x is equal to, times 4 natin dito, maka-cancel 2. So, magiging 2 times x times e raised to 2x minus, cancel na yung 4, e raised to 2x plus c. C pa rin. Kasi constant times 1 ng 4, constant pa rin. And then, divide natin both sides dito. Pwede natin ng e raised to 2x. So, magiging 4y 4y is equal to divide e raised to 2x, makakancel, so magiging 2x minus 1 na lang siya plus c times e raised to negative 2x. Kasi dinivide natin, so negative exponent. So this is the solution for the given differential equation.